okayfm 101.7.
Okay, yanko amano so na yanko lawyer right, yabako amano so na yene lawyer okunye edegi eye yenua Bulldog yene no enko twetwe nkomo otu say lawyer no ye lawyer wa ben lawyer bi wo no ma okọ police station kura yemu ano lawyer bi wa enye court bi ampo no tumiko we oye lawyer otumiko Supreme Court na lawyer okọ Supreme Court no police station station nungwa edemano ya be call nchen na yakobusa lawyer say edem brofo enokai police for the case okay we'll grant him bail as you are requesting enti said yedika lawyer Edudzi Tamakloe. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, but I'm online also.
Lawyer Patrick from Abeku Santana wo okayfm so
Abeku you mama.
Lawyer Patrick had the say kwa ho nti efisem de yan yefi asem ne be ka wada o ma.
Sa on person me fa entuja ha.
Enya satanfu benya yen Patrick.
Mate.
Lawyer Edudzi yenya ntia se yenua bema Bulldog has been granted bail na udi mu akotini yepa Patrick asem e no kre.
Oh, they make me confirm me say no question bill no they are granted, but I need to call beyond that.
Okay.
With three sureties.
Me Patrick na ya granting ni bail no ne ho te sen ne condition ni mood ne raho waboto oye normal oye okay.
Oh, but when we say Bulldog or a highly spirited young man, and you can't break it down psychologically or emotionally.
Hashtag because of free Bulldog. As a lawyer,
Abeku.
Yes.
He has been granted bail.
He has been granted bail. Yo, yeah, that's CP lawyer Edudzi Tamakloe.
But my only disappointment is when who more and more entertainment industry, advocating for his release.
Yeah. I am
check. Disappointed.
I am check me there. Yeah, ube. Why?
What was it?
Check me there. My video at
so they're different.
My Obi anya me my at the chow patrol man penny anim say Ghana wo issues baby a Bulldog and send me a tiny and say ha emre wo ho.
I mean sometimes Obi anisika akejem especially men's goal for it. Abegu is not an easy thing. Say Ode usika bako maybe an investment na akokam. Abegu sometimes we share a nipa out of this men's school that say me omashre omunkwa and then we can home. The emotional issues are very high. Na we share program no prana oni miniaba nana Brown. He basically explained the whole basis or they make that claim no. But I quite say powers that be will be an agent, so I have to show him where power lies.
Na Bulldog kasa ni bino ujiri se sa arrest ebema wa sasane kasa no wache ho kakra sebe
obia ne sika kadwam de sa sema wa kan anya dia wa kan se sebe with the man that you know so ka kukumo bi dabi ana obetimi aye. You see sometimes my created the impression say the leaders of this country they are highly sensitive to those things. Abegu at the end of the day say ya near to abamo ana
pray
and see about to about more then they now turn around and say they are afraid of us. A Kobana Sana we join the queues to elect them. Ultimately, the will not take that initiative.
But where does freedom of speech end? Freedom of speech our limit na.
Oh, like every right corresponding responsibilities associated. So what I say. But you see, you can't freedom of speech. It does not mean freedom of palatable speech. But all line.
Me was super brofru na no ede mame.
See, you can't freedom of speech. It does not mean sorry an opebiana utie chorus or sum. Oh, Nana dear, ye who be suda. Nana dear, only second Jesus tabi. The true sense of the freedom of speech, they say, it can even be harsh comments. Harsh comments. Such as here. Now, you see, sometimes I give you a massive. I don't know, say, and your money be a near custom. Say, pass it, your man pin in Pandia. And it's not good enough for this country. You see, the reason why I may make this asking when is there, I beg, wouldn't say, around 2001, 2008, or Embrana or Mampini Kufo Etiabe. Okaya, a then Attorney General, why? Another down quick for this. Okay.
Sure.
In not only the what became known as the removal or the repeal of the criminal libel law. So, guys, I said, now, incidentally, no, Abakosem Kakra, and Rana, the senior Kukuba, Haruna Tanum, now almost a lot of quote unquote nasty things about Rawlings and in the area, Yamame, Kunedu Ajman Rawlings. That time, no, you were criminal libel. Defamation and a libel. You are criminalizing. It is all kinds of before. Kunedu, Yamame, Kunedu Ajman Rawlings. So, na a dear, a good hoofia, a big. Near the work of courts.
Now a criminal offense.
I say criminal offense. When you say, in fact, in some of the things, do you know the lawyer who argued against it?
Nana Adudanko Ekufuado.
No, Adudanko Ekufuado. So what has changed?
But Anyabia,
you see, branch Uji pa, that is not the time I say destroy that reputation.
My question, my person, Busane say, where does the president Nana Adudanko Ekufuado comes in? Because any official statement from either the government side,
Bulldog, waka wansem.
Debbie.
Abegu, Wohan, Bulldog, waka wansem.
On come and wansem.
One wansem no okay.
Okay, president wansem.
Incidentally, some one studio here, Anna.
TV so.
Exactly. Inti Adia Sebio around 96, 97, 2000, 96, 95 onum. Na Sebio na Adudanko Ekufuado to make a court. Eko argue. In fact, in one of the arguments, Mekaipa said Banfordado, Justice Banfordado na Edin Wansem. Free press. Something Thompson. I think Tommy Thompson and I visa.
Yeah, Tommy Thompson. Yeah, free press.
Yes. The Republic versus Tommy Thompson. Yeah, Mekai. In fact, one of the arguments from where and he said the libel statement was against Kunedu. So one of the arguments that came up in court and then he said Kunedu was not a public officer. Because as first lady, the criminal libel laws and others did not cover her. All these beautiful arguments were, Embra MPP Babemu first, I think 2001, 2002. under a certificate of agency, more call Parliament.
Go repeal the criminal libel.
To repeal the criminal libel and sedation laws.
Now, me patrol, when you know, say you to be nyina so bi anka se omampani Nana Akufo-Addo enema ye chi eye Bulldog. However, the
Bulldog waka ye papa despite oneself.
Derby. However, my question is
waka doctor about me oneself.
Derby. However, my question is
one waka no oneself.
I know them maka me say Nana Akufo-Addo. However, lawyer, my question is the arresting institution or officers no ana omu ni mu say criminal libel law has been repealed from our statute ana cause omu bedi emra so.
You know say me say Emrad Bulldog eka asemi me monitor the Facebook page of some known MPP guys who work at the Jubilee House. And immediately I knew where the end will be. Because finally, Bulldog will see what will do them. What happened that way, you know? The you have weaponized the criminal investigative process.
But yet they are not speaking for the president. They don't have any capacity. So maybe they are speaking from their own
No, maybe I will sense you talk. Na wada. No one here. So sorry I'll be for Mafo.
But the president they are not speaking the president's mind.
Into whiny complainants, my threatening, granted that there's even a threat, was a threat directed at you.
Anyway, lawyer
and Abegu, like I told you, it becomes even more worrying if the president is not aware. Then we are even in more dangerous times.
We are president. Why are busy? An appointment for the new government?
No. Not doing say, Omampini this kind of arrest. Network could be any what have you, any Sanyomana. Then it's even more dangerous.
The president is concerned with election petition. The president is concerned with Enema. I'm also speaking. I'm also guessing. So Bulldog statement and your BBS as a president in Adrian Koho. It's Obi or Jubilee House no Kasa or no Adrian, but not the president's mind.
No, but then if subsequently an arrest is effected, how do you absorb him?
That is why, lawyers, you've come in to plead for bail, and it has been granted.
No,
thank you so much for speaking with us.
The question of bail is different. Why? Abe.
Lawyer, I better say, what you chemu? That's any additional history, so I am a medasi. I've a pan come back to you. Lawyer Edudzi Tamakloe.
OKFM 101.7.